non-white people, black people, don't have anything similar to that. I mean, and the closest thing we have to any kind of code or any kind of culture really is just a bunch of slangs, for the most part. You know, high-fiving and whatnot. You know, hey, man, what's up? That's about it. I mean, you know, that's when you look at black people's code or behavior, it's ragged. It's just as ragged as it can be. The white supremacist code is precision. I mean, it is like a smooth-running train that makes no noise, except when you want it to make noise. I mean, going at bullet speed and very efficient and delivering goods and passengers. That's just the way, you know, if I want to make an analogy of it. It's like a smooth-running train that makes no noise, except when they blow their whistle. Get out of the way. All right? That's the white code. It is smooth. I mean, it is smooth, diamond smooth, glass smooth, all glass. And has, every now and then, they run into some glitches. Every now and then,
yes, sir,
they have a little wreck. All right? But they immediately investigate that and say, hey, you know, we made some mistakes dealing with those black people last week.
Yes, sir.
So let's come up and fill that gap in this code.